Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Right now it's 3:30 on 19th of September and I'm on airport. So I'm flying from Indianapolis to New York. So basically we are going to explore Statue of Liberty, New York Times Square and the rest of the New York City as well. I'll be also going to my maternal uncle's place, my mama's place, who is in New Jersey. So the plan for now is pretty simple. We'll be flying to New York and after that we'll be going to the hotel checking. And probably I'll be checking at the Apple store as well because I have to buy 17 Pro. So if that thing happens and if I'm able to reach there on time and I can see the store open, I can try for it. Otherwise I'll keep it for tomorrow. But from the hotel I'll be directly going to my mama's place in New Jersey. He'll be coming to pick us up. We'll have to take a metro or something like that where he'll be coming to pick us up. And then from tomorrow we'll be going around together. So let's just see how the thing goes. But currently I'm at Indy Airport and that's my sister who is working. Let's see. Yeah, that's the update for now. Let's go and explore NYC. Good evening. Right now it's 6 o'clock and we have just landed in New York. So right now we are headed towards our hotel in Grand Central. It is close to the Times Square, New York. Something like the British Carlton or something. But so the flight was quite nice. It just took us around 1 hour 45 minutes to reach NYC. So right now we are at the airport. Going for luggage claim since we had a couple of shampoos and liquids. They were asking us to remove it, so instead we went back and checked one of our suitcases. So we're just going in to receive that right now. We have received our luggage and right now we are headed towards the taxi stand. So the name of the hotel is Royal Carlton, right? What is the name? Yeah. Royal Carlton. Yeah. So like I said, it is near to the Times Square, near the Grand Central. So this is where we are headed currently. I guess it will take us around maximum 30 minutes to reach the hotel. And from there we'll just call our mama and where he will come to pick us up. Sorry. Then we'll be staying with them for a night and then exploring NYC tomorrow. Let me see if there are any Apple stores nearby so that I can go and pick up the phone from there. And if I see, probably I'll buy a MacBook as well. So finally we have reached the hotel. This is Royalton. We're staying at Royalton, New York. See how beautiful this looks. So we'll quickly check in, we'll adjust the baggage and then we'll quickly take a metro towards Princeton, I guess. Hello.
How are you guys?
Good, how are you? So from there our mama will come to pick us up and we'll go to New Jersey. This is how the hotel looks. So this is how our room looks. It's on the 11th floor. We have a TV, small bed, and let me see if there's a view. Right now we can't see anything. But yeah, this is how the room looks. and of course there's a shower area as well. Currently it's 8:24 in the night and we have finally reached the Times Square, New York. So look how beautiful it is looking. From here we are en route to a train station where our mama will pick us up. We tried Uber but it's that costly. So instead we'll just take the usual metro that we came here from, and once we reach the Penn station, that's where our mama will meet us, and then we'll be going to New Jersey and stay with them for a night. See how beautiful Times Square looks. So I've been here in Pokemon Go, and we used to spoof or cheat in the game and come to Times Square, New York to catch flights. Even I remember placing Pokemons in the gyms at Times Square. So I never thought that I'll be here legit. So here I am, and I guess that's the way where we came from the train station, from the metro. I guess we are going again to the subway. From there we'll be going to the Penn station. I don't think so the Apple store would be open right now, because it showed me a time till 8 o'clock. Probably it might have closed. This is the Salesforce building, the Bank of America Tower, and see how pretty Times Square is looking. Just from the face, and I'm just gonna eat something and relax. Expecting more videos morning. Hey, good morning all. Right now it's 9 o'clock in the morning and we are in Monroe Township, New Jersey. So this is where my uncle, my mama resides, and we are at his place in Monroe. So the plan for today is we will be taking a ferry from here. Yesterday we came by a train, and look how cool this is. Anyway, so what I was saying, so yesterday we came by train till Princeton Junction, and from there mama came to pick us up, and now we'll be dropping us to ferry. That ferry will take us to New York. So once we reach New York, probably we'll directly go to the hotel, keep our luggage. We don't have much of luggage. It is just one of my cabin bag that we have carried among both of us. So we keep that, and then we start to roam around. From the ferry itself, if I feel that I'm seeing the Statue of Liberty enough, then probably we wouldn't be going there or on the island itself. But yeah, from there we'll be going to pick up my iPhone. So finally I have managed to pre-book that. So like since morning around 7:30 I've been after the slot and continuously clicking and trying to book slot from both the phones. And after not so much luck, I could find a slot as well as a Apple Center that is quite far from New York City. So probably we'll again have to take a subway for that. And from there we'll go to the Apple store. Then we'll again come back to New York and explore more of New York, because I really do not want to miss the vibe at the New York Times Square, New York. So yep, that is planned for today. And see how the weather is really chilled. So like it is like, not really windy, but you can actually feel the cold breeze. So it is so mesmerizing to stand here in the morning. So mommy is making tea for me, and it would be really nice to sip a cup of tea this cool weather. So I'm looking forward to this day. Very excited to pick up the iPhone as well, because this one's actually really full. The storage is quite full, and I wouldn't be exchanging this one. I would still keep this one as a backup. But yeah, so I've ordered, so I booked the iPhone. Picking up that is a to-do list, and apart from that, using sightseeing. So let's see how that our day turns out to be. I'm quite excited for today, and looking forward to seeing more places around. I'll be taking you there with me. Stay tuned on the channel, and hope you have enjoyed the US vlog till now. I don't know how they will be turning out for you guys, but I'm pretty sure you'll like it. And if you do, please do motivate me to make such videos for you, and do like the video. Share your thoughts in the comment section, and if you feel that I'm doing good, then consider subscribing to the channel, because I really am taking kind of efforts to get the channel going, which is again a very impossible task, since vlogging is kind of dead, I would say. But yeah, still I will try. So yeah, a bit of a motivation from your side will keep me going. Yeah, let's just see how that thing turns out, and excited for today.